This is Sal cooking some fish today, a little bit unusual. So what you do is, get some fish, and I'm gonna flour the fish, and then I'm gonna fry. So here we go.
Noting that he has already cleaned, gutted, and washed and salted.
There was the fish. This fish is for some, like they remind me my hometown, they call it chile, and they're a small fish but very tasty. So simple, just been cleaned, washed, and now we're going to flour. In the meantime, I put a large skillet with some oil. I'll show you the oil, some very any kind of frying oil, and just to get the pan nice and hot, and continue here flouring the fish and a nice light coat of flour. Video now. There they go. There we go, the fish, nice and hot pan. And we'll try to put them all in there. Let's see if they're gonna fit. I believe they will. And keep on going. Of course, be careful with the hot oil. This smells real good. Wow. This is a little bit unusual meal, I would say, but if you do like fish, like me, when I grow up by the ocean, that is a definitely good treat. Okay, at this point the fish has been cooking, I would say, for like a couple minutes on one side. Of course, we're going to turn them over this way. You see they're nice and golden. And I thought I would lower the flames, but I want to keep it up again. I think the hotter is the pan is nice, so they'll be crispy. Okay, so you might wonder what's in the pot. The other pan that's been cooking on the stove, there's some spinach, and then I put a little bit of pasta in it. Make it kind of like soup. It's kind of brothy, spinach with broken spaghetti, broken up the spaghetti like an inch or so pieces. Boil them for like until the pasta gets done, and that's ready. So we're going to have a nice bowl of this called soup, and then we're able to fry fish. They'll be done in about a couple of minutes.